Good morning. I am Anika from the Travel World online newsroom. Today's top headlines. First, Faith Tourism emerges as India's biggest travel driver, IndiGo to resume direct Chandigarh-Abu Dhabi flights from June 26. Noida International Airport takes off with inaugural commercial flights. British Airways expands its exclusive Avios-only flights. India's first 8-lane tunnel on the Delhi-Mumbai Expressway opens on June 20. And Riyadh Air launches its first domestic route connecting Riyadh and Jeddah. Now, the news in detail. Faith and cultural travel are completely rewriting India's domestic tourism landscape. According to Sunil Gupta, chairman of IATO North India, spiritual sites now account for 8 of the country's top 10 most visited destinations. Ayodhya leads with a massive 16.4 crore visitors, followed closely by Prayagraj and Varanasi. This surge is positioning Uttar Pradesh as a tourism powerhouse and driving massive local infrastructure investments. In aviation, IndiGo is set to resume direct flights between Chandigarh and Abu Dhabi starting June 26. Operating 3 times a week, this service restores a critical international link for northern India. The route will directly benefit travelers from Punjab, Haryana, and Himachal Pradesh, eliminating the need for connecting flights and significantly boosting regional business, family, and leisure travel to the UAE. A historic milestone for Indian aviation as commercial operations officially commenced at Noida International Airport today. IndiGo successfully operated the inaugural commercial service from the new Greenfield hub. With a Phase 1 capacity to handle 12 million passengers annually, the airport is set to ease heavy congestion at Delhi's IGI airport, while opening massive economic and MICE tourism corridors across western Uttar Pradesh. Looking global, British Airways is expanding its loyalty strategy by announcing new, exclusive Avios-only flights for the October half-term to Tenerife and Reykjavik. Every single seat on these flights will be reserved strictly for executive club members. Industry observers note that airlines are increasingly using loyalty ecosystems as powerful strategic tools to stimulate direct demand. This move targets peak seasonal holiday periods specifically. Road travel between Delhi and Mumbai is getting a major high-speed upgrade. India's first 8-lane tunnel, cutting through the Mukundra Hills Tiger Reserve, is set to open on June 20. Developed as part of the mega Delhi-Mumbai Expressway project, the tunnel will significantly slash interstate travel times. It will elevate driving safety and provide a major boost to regional self-drive tourism across Rajasthan. Finally, Saudi Arabia's newest national carrier Riyadh Air has launched its first-ever domestic route, connecting Riyadh and Jeddah using Boeing 787-9 Dreamliners. This launch taps into the kingdom's busiest air corridor. It marks a critical step in the airline's aggressive expansion strategy, aiming to serve over 100 global destinations by 2030. And that's all from the Travel World online newsroom for today. Stay tuned to our platform for continuous global travel updates. I am Anika. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day ahead.
You are watching Travel World Online.